So we are going to add UCPB and land bank as well, just to make it easier for people in the province. And on top of that, and that's why I keep saying, read your quick guide, you know that you can also use GCash and smart money to load your load wallet. So keep reading the materials. This is the beautiful part. In V-Mobile you only need one phone, one SIM, one load wallet. And this is your existing phone and your existing SIM. Now who of you has an iPhone? Who thinks the iPhone is a very nice phone? I can show you a phone that's even nicer than this. Is there anybody in the room who is 25 years or younger? Have you any idea how old the cell phone is? I will show you my cell phone. Any of you, especially for the guys, did you ever try to carry the battery of your car? It looks heavy, right? My cell phone is so cool and so heavy. This is the first cell phone from Nokia in 1987. And this is not a leather suitcase, okay? This is the battery of the phone, which you have to carry around all the time. So these were actually called, for the first time, you see the car charger here, this was actually a car phone. But you could take it out in this little suitcase and carry it around. And in 1987, if you saw somebody carrying this, wow, big time. But you know what? If I carry this one now, you still say the same thing. Because it becomes cool again after so many years, right? Now I just showed this to you because even this cell phone, if it has a SIM, you can still use it in V-Mobile. You can use any phone as long as it has a SIM. Prepaid or postpaid, doesn't matter. So who wants to buy one of these? Nobody, right? I'm just kidding. Joke lang. Who knows we have a SIM? The Empower SIM. Who has it already? Who is using it? So this is the new SIM from V-Mobile provided by Smart. And very soon the menu will become available so we can actually start using it for the system. Some of us are already testing it, beta testing, including myself. And I can tell you, it's lightning fast. If I load you, it takes less than a second and you have already the message that somebody got loaded. This is really fast. The beautiful part of this SIM is, even though it is from Smart, you can use it for every telco. This is an open SIM. So all the 300 products that we have, you can still sell through this one SIM, and it only costs you 50 pesos when you buy it here. If you order it online, you have to log into your Load Extreme account. Physically log in, and you will see on the left side in the menu, shopping cart. On the shopping cart, you can now add your SIM, you order it online, it is paid for your load wallet, and you pay then 150 pesos. There's 100 pesos flat fee for shipping. And you can only buy one SIM per account that you have. So you cannot buy this SIM for your downlines, for your techno users or anybody else. Everybody has to buy their own SIM. Very simple for security reasons. That's the only reason behind it. So let's take a look at MYTURF. Who is interested in MYTURF? So right now I show you as part of the presentation how it integrates with the rest of the business, and after the BOM we have a special MYTURF session that goes more into details about this. So in MYTURF you can do this as a techno user and as a technopreneur. So let's first look at a techno user. Every techno user, so we have one of these cards, can sign up as much as 10 other techno users. Every time you do this as a techno user, you get 50 pesos for a direct endorsement. So let's say I'm a techno user, I sign her up as a techno user, I get 50 pesos. I sign you up, I get 50 pesos. I sign her up, I get 50 pesos. And all of them is my first level. So your direct sales, the direct endorsement, you get 50 pesos, and this is your first level. Now if any of them signs up somebody else, they they get 50, I get 20. So let's say she signs up the lady over here. She will make 50 pesos, I will make 20 pesos. She signs up somebody else, she makes 50, she makes 20, I make 20. Claro? And this is up to 8 levels. So you get 50 pesos on your first level, 20 pesos up to 8 levels. Do you think you can find 3 people to sign up as a techno user? So let's take a look at 8 levels times 3 people. So you sign up 3 techno users, they will then sign up 3 techno users each. And they will sign up 3 techno users each. So 3 becomes 9, becomes 27, 81. And after 8 levels, you reach 9,840 techno users. There's no timeline. This can happen in 2 months, it can happen in 2 years. There's no timeline here. Just levels, and as an example, just using 3 people. I only got questions, do I have to sign up 3 people? No, this is just an example. It can be 1 to 10. But based on 3 people, times 8 levels, you make 196,890 pesos. In the system, this is called subscription sales override. So you make money from making other people part of the MYTURF program. You can't find people to sell, you can find people who are loading themselves, correct? So let's do the same thing as a technopreneur. How many techno users can you sign up as a technopreneur? Correct, 20, because you have the 20 techno user cards. And that means you get to 50, because that's the cost of the card. And this is your first level. Now in the brochure, if you ever saw the MYTURF brochure online, which has to be revised by the way, it shows there you get 150. The 150 is when you are a gold technopreneur. But most of us are silver technopreneurs. So in that case, you get the price from selling the card itself. And then you make 40 pesos up to 8 levels. So that's double the amount of money compared to the techno user. But the big surprise is, as a technopreneur, signing up other techno users in MYTURF, it does not stop at 8 levels. From level number 9 to infinity, you get 20 pesos. And infinity really means infinity. Like I said, I'm 18, so I can do the business for another 70 years. And I will make money. As long as people sign up, I make money. And you too. You as a technopreneur, you will keep making money. Because anytime somebody signs up, 20 pesos, 20 pesos, 20 pesos. You want to see how much money you make? Same example, 3 people times 8 levels. Remember, as a techno user, you make 196,000. Doing the same thing as a technopreneur, you make double the money, 394,000. And remember, after 8 levels, it continues. You want to see level number 9? Yes. 787,000. You want to see level number 10? Yes. 1.9 million. Who wants to be a big time millionaire? Me. I have a lot of people in the back who don't want any money, I think. Nobody is raising a hand all the way in the back. Level number 11 gives you 5.5 million. Level number 12, 16 million. And what happens after that? Oh, you just keep making money. This really goes into infinity. Like I said, there is no timeline. So you don't get this money at once, but every time somebody signs up, you make the money. So the faster today you go out there and get your first 3 or even all 20 techno user cards, the faster you get this. Because remember, I only show you when you only sell your first 3 techno user cards. What do you think is going to happen when you sell all 20 of them? Who just sign up 3 people each? I think you heard what Benko said, right? Right now, we already have the Millionaires Club. If you do this right,